In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this DOOGEE. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Notifications. Now you need to tap on App Settings at the top, and then click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Play Store. You can switch them back on the same way. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!